Let's start with the clearest match. The avalanche is certainly most easily done with simulation. Tracking all the small bits of snow is extremely difficult with the other techniques. Of the remaining three, morph targets are best for making a troll frown, as just 2 key poses would be needed. That leaves skeletal animation and motion capture. Both tasks could be done with both. However, it's a fair bit of work to get the center of gravity correct for a gymnastic flip. Motion capture would make this easy. Motion capture might be able to capture a hand, but this can be tricky. Skeletal animation can clearly handle this task.